and beat me when me I go let me want get bad. Yeah. So you get me? It's not my fault. It's just all my born. You get me? It's God do it, you know. It's God. You get me? So when you fight me, you fight God. Hey, they be the great diamond. You hear me? Enough love. R.I.P. to your mommy. Big up yourself, Storm, Bossy SWAT. It's all good. Also love SWAT. You know, I love people who been my friend for long, you know. I respect and appreciate. You get me? That to the fullest. Nothing to me like when me and somebody is a friend for a long time. It's the greatest thing of all. I don't like me your friend now and with enemy. I never like that. I will eat you like poison. And SWAT them, I forget all the respect. Pala 08. Big up yourself. Good morning, Debbie with love heart. Pala said that. Big up. Straight up. Yeah, man, Storm. The whole of wanna love me. Me know. And a long time with the pandis. A long time when I cheer for me. I never stop cheer for me. When a girl when I take fuckery. If me was some fuckery girl when wanna cheer for me. But say my belly full of bed dice. You see, you to keep me around a bit. I'm a school friend, you know. The rest of youth, him used to go Mona. Them no loyal. Idiot them. I idiot them. Big up yourself, Stan Bossy SWAT. The way the SWAT team them big me up on Christmas, I know say una my people them. I mean, you know, so me never violate on it. You never hear say they be there man the pan live at this SWAT team yet. Never. I remember son for 1 year or more. I would never diss the SWAT team them. Una amaze me one Christmas they wanna show me love. As somebody who says a body powder, that Christmas there, that Christmas them I know says a team I wanna. About 20 SWAT team come up in at the road right behind one another. Pick up yourself, Debbie Diamond. We love you. Also love. This that the amount of love with the SWAT team. They must show me Storm. What's West Storm I say? Always rate your real is real. Yeah. Me know Storm. Me know no ever love me. I always me no so no 100 years. Me know no love me. Big up the SWAT team, them right through. Debbie Diamond says SWAT. SWAT team is all good. Big up on the South Storm, it's all good. You know me, I got my bed door, me I hang up the live and got my blood clot bed cause guess what, I'm tired now. I'm eat and I was spread out. You know, I'm a nice clean bed. You know, I should have gone in my bed with the light, but I depend it too long. I need to come off now. I'm tired. I want to sleep. Big up my sister Tanya and Fred them. Yeah, for real. Yes, SWAT. Big up Tanya and Fred them. Fred them and my girl, you know. Fred them and my girl, man. I love Fred them too. My sister from out of nowhere, I see Fred them pop up, boy, 2 weeks ago. She come up one night when I come on the live. You know, long me not hear from her RCR on the live. Yeah, man, but a week before last week, Fred them come on the live, man. Big up on yourself every time, manners and respect, Storm. A long time I don't see Tanya upon there, something. I don't see Tanya a long time upon it. I'm something they cup me, you know, my Christmas cup me, you know. Some people come house where they and love them. Them say they be where you get them cup here from. These cup come with a lot of is a lot of them is a Christmas set me buy last year. You know, every year may have different set of things. But you see, Christmas gone. Oh my God, I can't believe it was this Christmas. It's so bad. Time I run fast, you know. Kill me dead at Christmas gone. Me have them and it's not Christmas gone because I never did there. But just remember, at the year before last year, Christmas time I run fast. These is like Christmas gone and it's not. It was the Christmas before Christmas gone.